Myself Naveen Kumar Chaudhary. Today I want to discuss about the computer's memory, chapter number 6, class 4, day 2. In the previous class I have discussed about the computer's memory. There are mainly two types of computer's memory, that is also called the storage. The primary storage stores the data and instructions temporarily, that are the RAM and ROM, and the secondary storage stores the data permanently, that are the hard drive, it means the hard disk, floppy disk. Today the floppy disks are not used. Hard disk, pen drive, CD, DVD, these are used as the secondary storage device or the permanent storage device. The hard disk is permanently fixed with computer. We know that the different types of input devices that are used to enter data and instructions into the computer, and that data and instructions are permanently saved in computer's storage device. It means on the hard disk. Hard disk is divided into different drives, and whenever and where we require to store the data, then the data is stored on the storage device. It stores the data permanently for our future use. Whenever it requires to open that files, because our data is stored in the form of files, we open it and we can modify and see or take a print of that useful data. A computer has a large memory, and when we enter data into a computer, it is converted into two digits, that is the 0 and 1, and each digit is called the bits, and the combination of 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, and 1 byte is the standard space for a character which is entered by us. It is in the form of electric representation. A bit represents the state of on and off for the machine. The binary digits, these two digits are called the binary digits. The binary digit 1 represents on, and the binary digit 0 represents off, and a bit is the smallest unit of computer's memory. But whenever we store the data, we want to store the data permanently, then we use to save that data in the form of a file. We give a file name and store that data, and that data is stored on the hard disk in different drive. That data is stored in the magnetic spot, because the hard disk is a magnetic tape, and where tape is divided into sectors and track, and on these track data is stored in teeny magnetic spot. But whenever required, we want to open that file, the data is converted into the electronic circuit like either the on state or off state, because data is only visible on the primary storage device, that is called the RAM, because where there we are able to modify that data. A computer's memory mainly is divided into two parts, the primary memory and the secondary memory. Primary memory, these are the RAM and ROM, and secondary memory, the hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, SD card, etc. Primary memory, that is known as the internal memory or main memory of the computer. CPU can directly read from and write to this memory. RAM, it stands for the random access memory. When we want to enter the data, our data is stored randomly in that storage device. If we not save that data in a form of file, when we switch off our computer, we lost our data. But when the data is stored in secondary storage device, it means on the hard disk, that will be permanently stored. That's all for today.